Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine at your home and be safe at your homes and be healthy. I am Manpreet Kaur from California Public School, your SST teacher. Today's date is 25th April 2020. Yes dear students, in the previous video we have to discuss about our first chapter, the story of the early humans. And in this chapter we have to discuss about the stages in the human evolution. Now, in this video, we have to discuss about the sources that help us to understand the human evolution. So, there are the two types of sources. One is the archaeological sources and second one is the literary. Archaeological sources means related to our past. The sources that help us to understand the past. So, in the archaeological sources, there are the many types, just as fossils, bones, tools, and other artifacts. Artifacts, the things that are related, we have to find to the past. So, in this video, we have to firstly discuss about the fossils and the bones. Fossils. Fossils are the primary source to understand human evolution, primary main source that help us to understand the human evolution. But what are fossils? Fossils क्या होते हैं? The remains of dead plants and animals that buried under the earth from millions of years ago. That is called the fossils. They are preserved remains and trace of plants and animals that lived millions of years ago. The remains include which things are included in it? Footprints, animals' footprints, their legs, bones, teeth, shell, and so on. By studying early human fossils, experts learn about which thing they have to learn from the fossils. The time period, that is how far back in the time did the early humans live. Means in which period early human being live. They have to be find out this thing from the fossils. Second, the changes in the physical appearance of the human beings. Which type of changes come into their physical appearance, their body structure. That thing also they have to be judged from the fossils. Third one is the geographical areas where early humans lived. In which surroundings they have to be lived. These things we also find from the fossils. So next is our archaeological sources, that is the bones. When experts study bones, they examine their shape and size. They examine their shape and size. This helps them to understand which thing they have to be understand from the bones, how early humans moved. From the bones they have to be mean find out also their time. How did how they held their tools, means which type, how they have to be held, कैसे पकड़ते हैं tools को. Next one, the changes in the size of the human brain, means from the skull whenever they have to be find. In between they have to know about the size of the human brain. Firstly human brain size is this one, then again skull they have to find. In between they have also to find the human brain size, so they have to be compare it. Next, and guess about the diet of the early humans. Early humans की diet को guess करते हैं. How they have to guess? From the strength of the bones. If the bones are strong, means their diet would be good. If bones not be strong, means their diet would not be good. So students, in the fossils and the bones, these are the two main sources that we have discussed in this video. So students, take care at your home and read it, listen it carefully, and bye bye.